Probably a good time for me to stop casting now, cause fish on. This one feel a little better. Go on about your business, guys. I'm bossy off to good side. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Greetings and salutation. Yeah. Not an early morning session, you know? Not an early morning session. Try right as a fuss. Didn't even check my drag, man. Oh, not bad. Good enough. Right, first one for morning, you know, guys. Catch him right on my foot. Didn't even get to turn on the camera. Gonna release him though. Go on about your business. I use this, is this a bomber? I think this is a bomber. It's a green and white Topwater plug. See if we can get it out there. Much better cast. Oh, see some bait out there saw a while ago. Jaja. Just saw some bait moving a while ago. See that a while ago? There was something in the water right here a while ago. Baits are running really close to that patch of grass out there. See if we can get a topwater strike this morning. That would be epic. Good cast. This is a walk the dog action copper or plug. And it has that loud rattle sound. Got bait right here a while ago. Some bait right along my foot here. Right guys, pilchard lure. Not getting any hits on the top water. But I know I just see either one snook or a top on a while ago. Let's get him on the pilchard. Get out there. I think I just see some bait right close to the shore right that's all. Ooh, something a chase bait further out. Lure can't get so far though, man. That's a little bit out of my casting range. That's a little bit too far out. Fish on, guys. Just wrap me around a rock, you know. First fish on. Well, second one for the day. Don't feel too bad still. Oh, come on! See me right this side. Go and come drop the lure. Right on my foot. Nice jack a while ago, you know, guys. That was a nice jack. Alright, let's try find something else. Fish on, guys. Fish on again. Feel like another jack. I want to borrow the right behind him, you know. I'm borrowed the right behind him a while ago, guys. Blue runner. Long time I catch a blue runner, you know. Long time. A pay bar jack me always a catch. Nice blue runner. Alright, relax yourself now. See him there? Nice little blue runner. Alright, I'll get my card and card him up. See if I can find something else. Stick around. They're on the search again for another one. Very rocky in this area, guys. Very rocky. Ooh, what that? Something just hit it a while ago. Something just hit it. Heavy allure, bit further out. See if we can find something nice from out there, and then we can stay up on my rock. And waves now beat me down, you know. Have just a little bit of leverage from up here. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Out there, good cast. Something fat from out there, so now. Fish on, guys. Nice little yellow jack. Nice butter jack. See him there? Him kinda small still, so you know them eat nice, you know, so keep that one. Look at him. Really small. Up. You get back in our water, so you're lucky. Them eat really nice, guys. Yellow jack or butter jack. Some people call them butter jack. Eat really nice. They're one of the best eating jacks out there. Probably a good time for me to stop casting now, cause fish on. This one feel a little better. Barjack. Actually snag him. He gets snagged right in inside. See him there? Alright, let's carry him around this and take him off. This one now go back. I was just about to say I should probably stop casting because I don't have on any wire. Don't have on any wire, and normally Barracuda in them like a flat area, yeah? So yeah, let's go get some wire lead set up and start casting again. Oh, let me show you the barjack. See him there? Nice size dinner plate size. Alright, stick around. So I'm feeling really frustrated right now. I don't know if I've ever gone fishing and felt this frustrated. I was standing right here just now. I decided I would change my lure. Take off one lure, put it right on top of my bag. Take up a different lure, put it on, cast the lure one time. I'm bossy off the gut side. Pick it up, cut it off. I'm first bossy. Cast, right? Judge and gone with me on my jighead. From this, so come back to my bag. So I'm going to put on back the first lure we did have on. And the lure is nowhere to be found. The lure is absolutely nowhere to be found. I'm the only one around here. And I've searched. Look, I've moved everything. That's where my bag is. The bag was laying down like that. I put the lure on top of the bag. And the lure is absolutely nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. I stood right here when I cut off the lure. I took off the lure right here, put it on top of my bag, put on a different lure, and the lure is nowhere to be found. And that's making me really frustrated right now because it can't walk. Really can't walk. So I don't know if I'm going to continue fishing because I'm feeling really frustrated. If I find it, I don't know. Let's see how my mood, if my mood change after this. I might just stop fishing and just go home. I don't know. You guys will see. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.